Namaskar. We welcome you all to our interview series in Pursuit of Excellence, presented by Sahapedia and Sangeet Vidyaniketan. Today we have amongst us renowned Kuchipudi Gurus, Padma Bhushans Dr. Raja and Radha Reddy. Namaskar Guruji and Guruma, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
So, as we were talking, Guruji, I wanted to speak to you about Kuchipudi in large, and also your life journey in the context of how you brought Kuchipudi from the Kuchipudi village to the world stage. So, Guruji, if you can begin telling us how you saw Kuchipudi first, where you saw Kuchipudi first, what was the fascination with the dance? आपने कुचिपुड़ी पहले कहाँ पर देखा था एंड आपने डिसाइड किया कि यू वांट टू लर्न कुचिपुड़ी और आप सीखना चाहते थे कब कब की बात है ये और क्यों अगर आप कुछ बता सकें
Yes, Madhur, since childhood we used to see, me and Radha used to see Bhagavatam, Yakshaganam, Kolatam, that is in Telangana. Now it is Telangana, Andhra Pradesh they divided. So the Kuchipudi belongs to the Telugu land. So it is a combination of Yakshaganam and temple dance. So since childhood we have been seeing this Bhagavatam and Yakshaganam since childhood. So we were very mad about this Bhagavatam Yakshaganam. Wherever the performance goes, we used to go. Radha's father used to sponsor the program and I am there in the village. And when my village, some program is going on, Radha used to come. So both of us were mad about this Yakshaganam. Since childhood, we were actually loving that Yakshaganam. And when I came to Hyderabad for studies, after my matriculation for the graduation, then after graduation I completely stopped and decided to devote my time only for dance. And both me and Radha went to Eluru. The Eluru is the place where my guru Vedantam Prahalad Sharma was living. So we were there and we learned for 3-4 years, staying there, morning, afternoon and evening he was teaching us. So for many years we learned, and also we learned from Kuchipudi village from Venugopal Sharma. Then we got a scholarship for choreography to come to Delhi. Andhra Pradesh government has given the scholarship to me and Radha, and we came to Delhi to learn choreography.
Yeah.
So yes, the Maya who went to Russia and got trained in choreography, she opened a school here. She invited every state, of India and learn the choreography. So from Andhra Pradesh, we have been selected and we came here, learned 3 years choreography. So after that, before going back to Hyderabad, we gave a performance on the demand. We gave a performance in IFX Hall. That was the first Kuchipudi full-length program. Previously, the senior dancers, they were giving only one item in their repertoire. But nobody has seen the full-length Kuchipudi recital in Delhi. So that was the first full-length performance given by us on 13th of January 1970 in IFX Hall. Then after the program, the national newspapers carried the story saying that Andhra dancers stormed Delhi audience with their Kuchipudi dance recital. So that was the landmark in our, fate, in our history. After that, tourism minister saw the review and he instructed his assistants to arrange one program in Hotel Ashoka Convention Hall. Then we gave performance in the Convention Hall, where the director of the Avenue International Dance Festival was there. So after seeing our performance, he decided, I want to have these dancers in Avenue International Dance Festival. He told the ambassador and he left. So ambassador called us and he requested us to go to Avenue. We are the first Indian dancing couple to participate in Avenue International Dance Festival. That too, Kuchipudi. Yes. And after giving full-length program, then we got a request that we should not go to the Hyderabad, stay here in Delhi to popularize Kuchipudi all over the world. It's a very beautiful dance style. We should stay here. So on the request, we stayed here and we got accommodation and we were practicing, teaching and performing. So, and we visited 104 countries with our performances, Kuchipudi dance performances. And in 1973, we went with Indra and Rahman to New York. We performed Kuchipudi and also gave lecture demonstration in Rockefeller Foundation. Then after that performance, we got a request from Juilliard School to stay there and teach Kuchipudi dance there in New York. But we bluntly refused. We want to stay in India and popularize Kuchipudi all over the world. So we came back to Delhi. And in 1974, when the Director of Revenue requested, this ambassador has sent us in 1974 to Avignon in France. There, me, Radha, my Guruji, and two musicians, one singer and one mridangist. So we were there. After our performance, then we got a standing ovation for half an hour in Avignon. The green room was down, so we had to go up the stairs to the green room and come back on the stage. Like 9 times we came and we went. We came 9th time when we came, we did Sashtanga Namaskar to the audience. Then only they stopped the clapping.
Even they selected our Dashavatara for TV serial.
Yes,
telecast,
after
all
the
of
performance.
the French.
Yes. It was telecasted all over the France. The best performance in the festival. They have judged our performance as the best in the festival series. So it was telecasted all over.
Guruji and Guruma, I want to ask you this. Before you arrived and before you achieved so much success while performing all over the world, when you might have decided to start learning Kuchipudi, you being a man and you being newly wedded, was there any issues from the family, from the society? आप कुछ बता सकते हैं उसके बारे में, उस टाइम के struggles के बारे में?
The family means family of Kuchipudi Gurus?
नहीं
Our family.
Your family.
नहीं बेटा, मैं जब 15 साल हो गए तो फिर मेरा शादी तो बचपन में हुए थे, तो कोई शादी का कोई बात ही नहीं चलेगा. तो फिर मेरे को बड़े होने के बाद फिर मदर इन लॉ के पास जाना भेजना पड़ता है. तो मेरे मम्मी ने, मेरे डैडी ने बोला इसको अभी डिवोर्स कर लेंगे, डांस वांस हमें अच्छा नहीं लगता. फिर हम रेड्डीज में डांस नहीं करते लड़कियां, तो फिर ये डांस करके क्या कमाएगा, क्या खिलाएगा, ये सब डांस नहीं चाहिए, डिवोर्स करेंगे. तो मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लगा, मेरे को डांस बहुत पसंद था. फिर मैंने क्या किया, एक मेरा सर्वेंट रहता था, तो मैंने उनको 1 रुपये देके इनका घर भेज दिया गुरुजी का आने के लिए. बोला आके गुरुजी आने के बाद फिर हम लोग हैदराबाद गए. हैदराबाद में फिर कुचिपुड़ी हैदराबाद में हमारा प्रलय से रविंद्र भारती में वो लोग भामा कलापन कर रहा था स्मृति कौशल के साथ. तो फिर हम गए, गुरुजी में हम दोनों मिल के गए. फिर हम दोनों देख के फिर गुरुजी ने बोला हमको डांस सिखाएगा गुरुजी. तो उन्होंने बोला क्यों नहीं सिखाएंगे आप दोनों, मेरे को बहुत खुशी है, आप दोनों आइए सिखाएंगे. फिर हम दोनों गए थे वहां पर. फिर हम 6-7 साल जा रहा है, आ रहा है, ऐसे गुरुजी भी आ रहा है, बस ये सब.
इससे पहले बेटे, so I also got many hunters because I was mad about dance. I used to travel with the traditional troops and sometimes taking a small children's role like that, Abhimanyu, something like that. So my father was very angry and he gave me hunters many times. Then he decided he should not stay in the village. So he sent me to the Taluka place where the higher studies, like 5th class, 6th class, like that. So there I went. I was not seeing this Yakshagana, but I was exposed to film theatre. There was one film going on and I attended the film 17 times. And the film is Nagin, where Vajanti Mala was the heroine. So it was a dance film. So again, I became mad about dance like that.
So Guruji, in Kuchipudi, there is a great tradition of Stree Vesham. Did you ever was taught in that format, or did you ever think about that? Because you have always been performing together as a couple. So what is your take on that?
Yes, you're right. Kuchipudi traditional family, the men used to take female roles.
Yes.
But when first I approached Jagannath Sharma, Vedantam Jagannath Sharma, he bluntly refused to teach me because I'm not fit for the female roles. I'm not having a slim waist and I'm not a good nose and not complexion. So he bluntly refused. And he advised me to go to the village and be happy doing your agriculture work. So I was very nervous, I was crying, and 2 days, 3 days I could not sleep. Then when Vedanta Prahalad Sharma came, I didn't go alone, I took Radha with me so that I didn't want any refusals. So both we went, he was very happy, then he invited us to Eluru. He arranged accommodation, so we both went. That.
So गुरुजी, जो कुचिपुड़ी का जो साहित्य है और जो म्यूजिक है, वो किस प्रकार से, जो भरतनाट्यम जैसे है या ओडिसी हो गया, तो वो किस प्रकार बाकी शास्त्रीय नृत्यों से अलग है? क्या है कुचिपुड़ी में which sets it apart?
Kuchipudi, even Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi, same music, Carnatic music, no difference. Classical music, no light music. Only dance like two sisters. थोड़ा सा difference है बस, नहीं है. कोई music different नहीं है. संस्कृत है, तेलुगु.
And language is Telugu. Sanskrit is Telugu. Sometimes Sanskrit words also. But Telugu is the language for Kuchipudi and even for Bharatanatyam also.
Okay. और कुचिपुड़ी में जब performance होता है, usually classical dance में the dancer does not sing and dance usually, but in कुचिपुड़ी, why is there this tradition of singing and dancing together? Is it because of its Bhagavatam roots? आप कुछ उसके बारे में बता सकते हैं?
You see, the thing is, Madhur, those days in the villages, the dancers, Yakshagana, Ved Bhagavatam, dancers, they used to sing themselves. There were no microphones. So they used to arrange the tables in the village and one curtain, black curtain, in the behind, and they used to come and the dancer used to sing and dance with mime, expression and footwork pattern. And the drummers, musicians will be in the back of the dancer and they used to give the support, drum and musical support. That is why from the Vedas time this slokam has come. Kanthe nalam vaye geetam hastenartam pradarshaye chakshurvyam darshaye bhavam padabhyam talamachare. So for footworks, give the rhythm and face and eyes give the expression and the hand gestures give the meaning of the words. And the singer sings with his kantam. That is the Kanthe nalam vaye geetam. The slokam has come.
So, Guruji, when you came to Delhi, you also were learning Kathak for some time. और आप
You are absolutely right.
Not in Delhi.
Not in Delhi, in Hyderabad. When the first Guru refused to teach me Kuchipudi, I was crying and 2-3 days I could not sleep. So I could not eat. I didn't eat. My friends took me to the college, music college, to join me there. But there was no Kuchipudi. And Bharatanatyam was there and Kathak was there. So many people said Bharatanatyam is only for the girls. Why don't you join the Kathak? So I joined the Kathak. I did for 2-3 years, but it was very helpful rhythmically.
Kathak also he came first prize. First prize winner Kathak. Yeah.
तो गुरु माँ, आप जब आए दिल्ली आप लोग और आप माया राव जी से कोरियोग्राफी सीख रहे थे, तो क्या टेक्निक आप लोग को सिखाते थे वो? मतलब अगर आप उसके बारे में कुछ बता पाए, बिकॉज कुचिपुड़ी वाज सोलो, आई डोंट नो, माया राव जी जब आई थी तो वो भी बॉलशॉय थिएटर से कोरियोग्राफी सीख के आई थी. व्हाट वर द थिंग्स दैट शी टॉट यू बोथ?
Yeah, she went to Russia. She learned choreography, but when she was teaching about Natya Shastra and also choreography. What she learned on the modern stage, our traditional Yakshagana players and Ved Bhagavatam players, they were not having that sense. Only dancers used to come and sing, like Hiranyakashipu, or like that, Prahaladuni, like that, no, and Satyabhamano, like that, introducing themselves and that. No sense of, placings and how to move, how to develop the story, that was not there. So Maya Rao, she taught us how to make an entry. There should be a beginning, there should be a development, and there should be a climax and the finale, like that. In each item, whether it's a Abhinay item or Nrutta item, like that, or the duet item, there is there. And the first time, Madhur, when I saw traditional gurus performing Dashavataram, like, Dashavasaram, Matsavataram, Kurmavataram, Varahavasaram, he was performing in Telugu language. Only he was performing at one place. He was not moving at all. And when we learned Dashavasaram, me and Radha, so we were performing together, like Radha and me. Radha used to perform Matsavataram and go back, that is fast. Then I used to come perform Kurmavataram, then I go back and take Kurma and stand, did the fast. And Radha will come and perform Varahavasaram. One after the other, we used to perform Avataram. Then in the finale, like Slokam jo hai, Paritranaya Sadhunam Vinashaya Chidutratam, Dharma Samsthapanarthaya Sambhavami Yuge Yuge. Then I used to take Sheshatalpachai and Radha used to Lakshmi. That's we did.
Madhur, मायर कोरियोग्राफी सिखाते वक्त हमें क्या फर्स्ट ईयर वन बैले दिया था. वन बैले का पूरा स्टूडेंट्स को वन बैले कोरियोग्राफ करना करके हमको होता था. फिर गुरुजी ने फर्स्ट ईयर किसानी में किया था. फिर सेकेंड ईयर और कुछ आइटम्स किया था, जैसा प्राला चरित्र में ऐसा वो कुचिपुड़ी का ओरिजिनल बैले किया था. मगर एक भगवत जुकम करके थर्ड ईयर में उनका फर्स्ट प्राइज मिला. वो मायरों का वही खूबी है, बैले कैसे कंपोज करना है, कैरेक्टर के हिसाब से कलर्स पहनना है, लाइटिंग्स कैसा होना है, कैसा कैरेक्टर के लिए कैसा रेड लाइट, सब लाइटों के बारे में भी पढ़ाया था. जब स्टेज में कैसे मूव करना वो भी पढ़ाया था. ऐसा कोरियोग्राफ का मतलब वो ही है, कोरियोग्राफी कैसे करना करके.
तो गुरुजी, गुरुमा, आप लोग ने एज यू आर रेनाउंड एज द डांसिंग कपल, आप लोग ने कभी अकेले एज लाइक हैव यू गुरुमा हैव यू एवर परफॉर्म्ड एवर अलोन कि दिस इज कॉन्सर्ट बाय राधा रेड्डी, दैट्स इट, नॉट राधा रेड्डी? अगर आप कोई सोलो बता पाए उसके बारे में, व्हेन यू यूज्ड टू परफॉर्म.
सोलो करते तो वो मूड अलग बनता है. जब भी ड्यूएट्स होता है तो वो पार्टनर के हिसाब से शो में जैसा अष्टपति है, भामा कलापम है, वो सब सोलो आइटम्स है. पर वो सोलो करने में बहुत मजा आता है. मगर बेटा जो ड्यूएट में मजा आता है सोलो में मजा नहीं आएगा, क्योंकि दो कैरेक्टर्स होता है. तो वो घर का वो बाहर का वो, मगर वहां पर क्या होता है, हम लोग खाली पार्टनर्स होता है. पार्टनर के हिसाब से क्या होता है, एक से बढ़ के करने का इच्छा होता है, थोड़ा ध्यान ज्यादा देना. सोलो मतलब कैसा भी खड़ा हो सकता है, कैसे भी कर सकते हैं, इसलिए.
तो गुरुमा, आपने अभी भामा कलापम की बात करी, तो कुचिपुड़ी के कुछ बहुत ही फेमस आइटम्स हैं, जैसे भामा कलापम हो गया या मंदोदरी शब्दम हो गया. तो ये इनकी उत्पत्ति कहाँ से हुई है, और रेपर्टोर जो है वो क्या आपको लगता है कि उसी में सिमट के रह गया है कुचिपुड़ी का? I mean, what is the extension for that? Yes, Guruji, please.
Yeah.
What you asking about the items you are asking?
Yes, Guruji. So जैसे भामा कलापम हो गया या फिर मंदोदरी शब्दम हो गया, तो ये ट्रेडिशनल आइटम, they were made, है ना? उसके आगे क्या कोई आइटम्स का एक्सटेंशन हुआ है? और पहले आप थोड़ा रेपर्टोर जो है कुचिपुड़ी का, उसकी उत्पत्ति के बारे में थोड़ा अगर बता सकें. और आप लोग पर्सनली, आप लोग ने बहुत सारे कंटेम्प्रेरी आइटम्स उठाए हैं, जैसे सांसों की माला में और एनी अदर लिटरेचर ऑल्सो. तो आपने भी कैसे एक्सटेंशन किया है कुचिपुड़ी रेपर्टोर का? अगर आप थोड़ा उसके बारे में बता सके, मार्गम के बारे में, कुचिपुड़ी की मार्गम के बारे में.
Yes, when we gave the first performance in Delhi, how we started? मतलब जो ट्रेडिशनल डांस ड्रामा में, ट्रेडिशनल डांस ड्रामा में गणपति प्रार्थना पहले श्लोकम गाते हैं, गणपति जो है वो अम्बा पराकु देवी स्तुति का कुचिपुड़ी में जो है वो विलेज में देवी है वो गाते हैं। उसके बाद में जो है सूत्रधार का एंट्री होता है, सूत्रधार इंट्रोड्यूस करता है फलाने कैरेक्टर अभी जो है भामा का सत्यभामा इज मेकिंग एंट्री करके वो एक्सप्लेन करता है। बट ट्रेडिशनल डांस ड्रामा में भी कभी कभी इन बिटवीन टाइम में सोलो आइटम्स किया करते थे कुचिपुड़ी ट्रेडिशनल डांसर्स, लाइक जतीश्वरम हो, पदम हो, जावली हो या तिल्लाना हो, इस तरह करते थे, तरंगम हो, इस तरह आइटम। तो when we started giving performances, we systematized, we are not stage, there are microphone, there are sound system, and there are lighting effects. How to keep happy the audience with our performance, and there should be variety also. So we decided to start with invocation, whether invocation to Lord Ganesha or Lord Shiva or Lord Vishnu, invocation. Then after invocation comes one Nutta item, whether it is a Jatiswaram or Jatikattu, like that Nutta item. And then we come and perform one Stuti, like Slokam, Srungar Devi Stuti, or Shankar के बारे में कोई स्तुति हो, स्तुति करके, then Dashavataram we used to perform. Dashavataram was very popular item. Then after Dashavataram, then Krishna. Yeah, Shabdams also. Sri Ram Pattabhijay Shabdam, Krishna Shabdam. Radha used to perform solo Krishna Shabdam, and I used to perform Shiva dance. Arenama, Harudu, Dhruva, Tataya. Then in the end, both we come and perform Tarangam. That's Narayana Tirtha's Tarangam. He was a Krishna Bhakta. And so in the Tarangam, we used, in Tarangam, we used to do Sanchari Bhavas also. After that, finale, standing on a brass plate. We decided it has been coming since Vedic time. I have seen Banaras Gharana Kathak dancers also dancing on the brass plate.
Yes, yes.
So, yes. So you must be doing. So finale will be Tarangama always. Then Narayan Tirtha was a Krishna Bhakta, and he wrote song after the song in praise of Lord Krishna. That is why they have given Tarangam means waves. So in the end, we both stand on the plate and execute rhythmic variations, and then after that dancing with rhythm, the dancer's mind will be always to the Almighty, union with the universal. That is the subject. Then, but we have to control the rhythm also, how the mridangi is, how the natvan are, how the singer and how the instrument like. Keeping in mind that, then we execute different rhythmic variations. That is the essence.
So Guruji,
and
yeah, there was this one tarana which Pandit Ravi Shankar had made, and then you choreographed Kuchipudi on that. And
yes,
we are talking about the extension of the repertoire of Kuchipudi. तो आप मुझे बता सकते हैं कि एक तो उस इंस्टेंस के बारे में पंडित जी के तराने के ऊपर जब आपने कोरियोग्राफी करी, और जब आप कोई आउट ऑफ द ट्रेडिशन कोई सॉन्ग या आइटम लेते हैं और उस पे बनाते हैं, तो क्या कुचिपुड़ी के एलिमेंट्स डालने में कुछ उसको डाइल्यूट करना पड़ता है? अगर आप उसके बारे में थोड़ा हमें बता पाए तो।
Madhur, बात ये है कि we have been performing Kuchipudi with on Telugu or Sanskrit language, Kuchipudi items, traditional Kuchipudi items. Then when the founder of National Museum, Dr. Shivaram Murthy, who wrote The Art of India, a very big book he has written. So he came to see our performance in Kamani Auditorium. After seeing our performance, we did one Sitaram Stotram. We did one Kumara Sambhavam, Shiva and Parvati, where Parvati sits in tapasya and Shiva comes in a disguise as a sadhu, like that story. Then we did Tarangam, where I become Krishna and Radha becomes Radha, like that. Then after the program, he came on the stage and he said, today I have seen the complete dance. It is Tandavam and Lasyam. It is Purusha and Prakriti. It is Shiva and Parvati. It is Sita and Rama, Krishna and Radha, Raja and Radha. like that he said, Shivaramurthy. So that was the, blessings to us. And next day he invited and he said, Mr. Raja and Radha, we should know that your dance is great because the Tandava last time we performed. That's why he said complete dance, he said. Then he advised us, one of the vrittis in Natya Shastra says, if you are going from your region to another region, you have to be clever enough to choose the language. You have to dance in their language. Then your dance will be appreciated. You get good appreciation. Don't spoil the technique of the grammar of the dance. Keep intact the grammar and take their language and even take Hindustani music and choreograph your Kuchipudi dance. So that was the big lesson to me and Radha, and we decided to choreograph items. And during that time only, Bharat Ratna Pandit Ravi Shankar on his 75th birth anniversary, he has given me that music. He has seen our dance and he said, I want you, Radha, to choreograph this item. He has given this, then he choreographed, then we performed, and without our knowledge, once near, I think near Los Angeles, and that was the place, San Diego. So we were performing and he was there, where my elder daughter Yami was performing Tarana. Then he said, after the performance, I see the tears on his eyes. He said, he came to the stage and he said, it shows, Raja, that I have composed this music Tarana only for Kuchipudi. You made like that. And in the same way, the ex-president of our India, Abdul Kalam, APJ Abdul Kalam, he in Rashtrapati Bhavan, he seen the performance and he liked about photography. And one day he invited, he wanted his item to be composed, choreographed. He is a great writer. He writes in Tamil and English. Then I told him that I cannot, word-to-word translation is difficult. Tamil, I will choreograph your English item. Then his wisdom tree I have choreographed. He liked very much. He came to Kamani Auditorium. He was staying for 2 hours and he liked that. That's why we choreograph items in English also. And one of his Ravi Shankar's associate, his name I forgot. I forgot. So his friend, Ravi Shankar's friend, he composed music and he was singing.
Sweet life.
And
my sweet life. My sweet life.
My sweet Earl.
George Harrison.
John Harrison.
Yeah, we choreographed that. And in Ravi Shankar's festival here only in Delhi, his wife was there in the functions. We were not aware, but his wife was there. When my daughters performed there, she was so happy. So that, because in Natya Shastra said, if you are going to other region, you have to choose the language and music. You keep your dance intact and you perform. From that time onwards, Dr. Shivaramurthy's advice, we have been choreographing items like Sansunti Mala, Chap Tilak, and like English, dancing flowers like that. And George Harrison's music also. Now, Yamini and Bhavana, they perform in America, wherever they go, they perform these items.
So, yes, Guruji, आपने अभी तांडव और लास्य की बात करी, तो ये जो इंटरव्यू जो देखेंगे, they all might not be dancers, तो आप लोग बैठे बैठे अगर हमें कुछ 1-2 लाइनें अगर दिखा सकें कि क्या आपका मतलब है तांडव और लास्य से, that would be really helpful for all the viewers.
Lastly,
yeah, the music.
Lastly,
ये भी बता सकते हैं आप.
The music देगा. अकर बोलना. Can we move better there?
Sure.
And
music.
In we'll perform one slokam later. Slokam.
Sure.
We'll-
Guruji, the camera can be a little up. आपका थोड़ा हाइट ज्यादा है तो फेस नहीं दिख रहा है. Yes.
Good.
गुरुजी, ये जो आपने किया, ये कौन सा स्तोत्र है? What was this that you danced to?
This is, he says, Vame me the left side Parvati, Lasya Bhavam. Vame Bhagena, like Lasya Pool, Lasya Kusuma Alankita, Bhava Abhinayaka. Then Shiva says, Ardhe Nyusminnita. Matlab, Shiva divided his body into two. Like right side is Purusha, left side is Parvati. He did Tandavam, right side Shiva, like that. That is why this slokam, but I have to tell you that when Kalidas in 2nd century BC, he visited, it seems, South India. That's what my Guruji used to tell. And after seeing the Natyam, then he used to heard this slokam, that Rudrena idam uma krutavyatikare swange vibhaktam vida traigunyodvamatra loka charitam nanarasam drushyate natyam bhinna ruche janasya bahudapi ekam samarakanam. So he recited this sloka, I see, and he kept in other in his book, I think Malavika Agnimitram, he kept this sloka. So after seeing this South Indian dance only, he recited this sloka.
And Guruji, since we are talking about shlokams, you and I were also speaking about this shloka, which mentions the Vishwa Shanti mantra, which is required for all of India at this time. So अगर आप वो थोड़ा हमें बता पाएं, the shloka which you were telling me, that India is the supreme in the entire world, and it is the mother of all dance and music. जो श्लोक के बारे में हम बात कर रहे थे.
श्लोक के बारे में
हम बात कर रहे थे जिसमें आप थोड़ा विश्व शांति की कामना करते हैं और बोलते हैं कि how India is the Supreme Mother of all.
Oh, that. You want me to tell that? So we should something. No, I was just thinking, because it is about the dance. Now, I will definitely, I will like about the dance. India is known for dances. Like Vedanam Janma Yatra Bhut Natyotpatti Yato Bhavat Seyam Bharata Bhumistu Prokta Prachi Sudheti Cha. Because of the dance, the Bharat is known all over the world as Prachi Sudha, the nectar of the East. And what is the essence of beauty of Bharat? Vidvanjumrita Veda Shastra Vihitam. Vidvanjumrita Veda Shastra Vihitam Vijnana Sandhayakam. Geetam Vadyam Vishesha Nritya Sahitam Shilpadisam Sevitam Arsham Samskruti Vishwa Moolamakilam Adarshamargodgatam Etat Bharata Desha Kirti Vimalam Vishwavi Sampujitam Vishwavi Sampujitam. That is because of Natyam, the whole universe we prayed. Once when we were giving performance in Sweden, Stockholm, the director of UNESCO, Bent Hager, came on the stage. Mr. Reddy, whatever we are doing in this world, it is a copy of your Indian dance. It is copy of your Indian dance, he said. So I will recite this. You want about this? Now we are facing difficulties with the corona, and to get rid of this corona, the Vedic Pandits from the temple, they are, reciting this sloka to get rid of this disease. That is, I will just do it. Om Hrim Hram Hrim Ram Vishnu Shaktaye Namaha. Om Namo Bhagavati Vishnu Shakti Menam. Om Hara Hara Naya Naya Pacha Pacha Matha Matha Utsadaya Dure Kuru Swaha Himavantam Gaccha Jiva Saha 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 Chandramandala Gatosi Swaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Thank you so much, Guruji and Guruma. It was a really, really fruitful and enriching interview and a talk with you. I'm sure everybody would love to hear what you have to say. And just thank you so much for giving out time to us and sharing your thoughts. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.